Here I am now without extensions. I just threw in a little bit of dry shampoo because, let's be honest, my hair was looking a little sorry, a little greasy, and a little sad. Here we go. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. Welcome to another episode of Hair Extensions 101, where I'm showing you all sorts of fun different tips and tricks on how you can put in clip-in extensions, take care of them, dye them, and style them. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clip in extensions in like record-breaking time. We're just gonna throw them in super quick, and you're gonna know how to clip them in for basic styles if you just wanna like race out the door. So let's begin. So here we are without extensions. Starting at the nape of your neck right here, I'm just gonna go a couple inches above that. I'm gonna grab my smaller, number 3, clip that in. And then just a little above that one. It doesn't have to be right on the part. You just want to make sure that your hair can grip it. I'm going to make a little U shape right around my temples all the way to the back of my head for my longer piece. And then just if you want to have a little extra volume, I'll put another one right here. We've done the back. So now I'm going to get the front of my face figured out. See what I'm doing. And then one just a little above that. Awesome. And now the other side. Just like a little above my ear will do. I cannot see what I'm doing. I'm trying to move very quickly for you. If you want more specific details and tips on how to blend these in, especially if you have shorter hair and really fine hair, watch the video that I put in the link below. Watch the video that I stuck in the description below. And that's it. There you go. Doesn't it look great? You just blend it in and we have them all in record-breaking time. Thank you. Fake hair.